Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Today we're out here with our 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ, because everybody says that just call it an XJ, don't call it a Cherokee, but I don't know. I don't know this. I'm new to this Jeep culture. It's only been a few years that we've been wrenching on Jeeps. Almost 10. A few years. Anyway, we have a bunch of wheels and tires laying around, so we wanted to see what we could do with Cosmo. Cosmo isn't really getting any kind of lift or anything crazy suspension wise right now. It's pretty much staying stock like it is. There are new replacement heavy duty leaf springs in the back. In the fronts are the 20-year-old tired coil springs, which actually seem to work fairly well. We did put in a previous video, we put in 3/4 inch spring spacers just to level it out a little bit, but we wanted to see if we could get just a little bit bigger of a tire on here just to make it look a little nicer. And these steel rusted cruddy wheels, you know, need a refresh. The tires are good, but the wheels are just ugly. So we have a set of wheels that we scored online somewhere. I think we just bought them because it was a good deal. The tires are horrible, but the wheels are good. I think there's one real good one out of the set of 4. But we're going to put them on temporarily just to see if we like them and if the tire size works. They're a 31. So we have a set of 29s, a set of 28s, a set of 29s. No, we have a set of 29s, we have a set of 30s, and we have a set of 31s, all on different wheels. We're gonna try the 31s on the factory aluminum Jeep wheels on this one and see what it looks like. These are 31s. I don't know, it's gonna be tight. I was grabbing some freshly cleaned lug nuts, and turns out that all the ones I took off, I was able to take off with the 3/4 inch socket. These ones that are going on are all 13/16s. That's weird. Alright, so before I tighten everything down or torque it down, let's put it on the ground and see. Ooh, that really fills it up. Gotta make sure we can even turn the car. Turn the wheel and see what it looks like. It doesn't seem like I have clearance issues. They're tight, but for now I think we'll drive on them for a week or 2 or 3 or 4 and see what we think. That's why we're not buying new stuff and just using what we have, just to get an idea of what goes well. It does not full turn, it doesn't hit the lower control arm, which a lot of bigger tires do. That'll be the stop point, is they'll hit the lower control arm. This doesn't. So we could torque them up and put them on for good, and then I'll show you what it, well, not for good, for the temporary, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I think it's going to look a hell of a lot better than those rusty steel wheels that were on it. Seems to look pretty good. Went over them with the torque wrench, 95 foot-pounds. Actually, that little stubby mini half-inch impact did a great job, because most all of them were at 95 or above. Couldn't be much more than that, but Think it looks pretty good? And this side is where we put the ones that got some curb rash on the tire wearing through over there. But overall, alright, so that's it today from Axel's Garage. You know, Emily never notices anything, and my wife doesn't always notice either. I don't know where she is, so I'm whispering. But I'm not even going to say what I did. They knew I was out here doing something, but they have no idea usually. I'm not going to say a word. How do you think they look? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, this is going to be Emily's Jeep. She's not going to be doing any off-roading. At the most, a dirt road. So I'm not too worried about trail riding or anything like that. That'll be more Steve-O. But, hey, listen. Looks halfway decent. I don't know. I don't necessarily know if new 31s are going to clear in the front, you know, once they got a little tread difference on them. I don't know. We'll have to see. If we don't have any rubbing at all going in and out of driveways and up aprons and stuff, then maybe we'll go and we'll find a nice set of tires to go on these rims. Unless she doesn't like these rims, which I don't even think she's going to notice. Because we can go with black ones, because we have a set of black wheels also. But they have smaller tires on them. And we could always swap them back and forth. But let me know what you think below. Let me know if you've taken, this is pretty much a stock height, you know, Cherokee. You know, it does have, like I said, the little 3/4 inch spaces in the front because the front was sagging. The back has a new leaf spring that's been in over a year, so any sag is done already. It's got some miles on it, but it's about a year and a half old. From the previous owner, he put a heavy-duty dual member replacement in, which seems to have brought the back up. But with these bigger tires on it, actually looks, now it looks normal. The stance looks halfway decent. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this quick video swapping out tires. If you're interested in how that little stubby impact, that Milwaukee impact, if you're interested in those, I got a whole playlist, and I'll put it right up here. I got a whole playlist on that stubby in a 3/8 version, and I just picked up the 1/2 inch, and we're going to do a whole playlist on the 1/2 inch and testing the real world torque ability of those little stubby guns. But so far, swapping tires out, pretty good. That's all we got today. Thanks for watching.